Welcome to Medivant Healthcare. I am Andrew Stasiak, the head of quality, and I will take you on a virtual tour of our brand new sterile parenteral manufacturing facility in Chandler, Arizona, where we intend to manufacture short supply drugs identified by the U.S. FDA. We are located in close proximity to 3 major universities, and we look forward to creating jobs for our local community. Our clean room was customized specifically to meet our quality and manufacturing requirements. All walls are designed to maximize sterility while minimizing bioburden. The layout was carefully designed with meeting all ISO 5 requirements in mind. To verify sterility, we continually monitor all aspects of the clean rooms, ensuring we meet the highest global standards. Our fully validated autoclave is compact, allowing for the rapid turnover of runs, ensuring high throughput. We have the ability to terminally sterilize up to 5,000 vials per hour, as well as support all aspects of production through the sterilization of change parts and packaging components. Compounding drug product is performed under the direct supervision of a licensed pharmacist. A key part of manufacturing is our compounding tank, which is fully automated, reducing human interaction and the potential for human errors. We have the ability to store up to 125,000 individual recipes, allowing the compounding tank to automatically manage the entire process from start to finish. Our filling machine can fill standard and light-sensitive drugs with volumes between 1 and 10 milliliters at a rate of 100 vials per minute. The use of a supplemental laminar airflow hood and rapid application of stoppers and overseals ensures sterility. Fill volume precision is ensured due to the application of predefined fill tolerances exponentially tighter than industry standard. Our fully validated autoclave is compact, allowing for the rapid turnover of runs, ensuring high throughput. We have the ability to terminally sterilize up to 5,000 vials per hour, as well as support all aspects of production through the sterilization of change parts and packaging components. The inspection system is designed to enhance human vision through the application of optimal light and magnification processes. Vials are loaded into the inspection machine directly from the autoclave, where they are presented to an inspector and rotated 360 degrees. Vials not meeting requirements are transferred into a quarantine tray for further inspection. Following inspection, vials transit through an online labeler and into packaging. We have both an analytical and a microbiological laboratory on site. Our analytical laboratory includes state-of-the-art high-performance liquid chromatography instruments, as well as required scientific equipment to execute all testing per the United States Pharmacopoeia chemistry methods. With a team of highly trained chemists and microbiologists from local universities, we are able to perform all drug and method development activities on site. Our microbiological laboratory is fully equipped to support all aspects of our facility and products, ensuring we maintain the highest sterility and bioburden standards.